both you and Mayor Vico will graduate already. So ano, mag-switch kayo or
well,
what? Kasi parang doon na papunta, ikaw na lang susunod
yes.
na mayor talaga ng Pasig.
Pero alam mo, una I have to answer the yung kay Mayor Vico. Si Mayor Vico is one of a kind na public servant. I don't think meron talagang pareho niya. Iba talaga eh. And he will thrive best and I think that is the reason for his declaration in a setting wherein executive siya. In a legislative, magkasama kami ni Gov. Ben for a while, alam mo, pag sa legislative, again, even a particular bill lang, meron kang bill na ito talaga yung tingin mong kailangan ng distrito mo o ng province mo. You know very well, you will not get everything that is needed in that bill. Di ba? Kasi specific to your district, talagang maiiba rin yan. You will get probably the most important parts of it, pero hindi talaga matitailor fit
So
to
are you
your own.
running for mayor
So,
in Pasig in 2028?
well, that will come. Gov. Ben, in another time we will talk about that.